Hello out there on YouTube. Today I'm going to do something I haven't done before, an open box review of a long discontinued item. It's a 1/24th scale 60 Corvette. Now it's been re-released a couple times by Monogram Revell, and this is a 1979 version that was put out by Advent. I couldn't find any reviews of this online, so I thought, well, why don't I get one of these and put a review up? So here goes. My hope is to eventually build this model. Right now I'm working on a Revell one, and have it half to a third of the way done. And so, doing one right after another like that, you kind of get into a groove of what needs to be done next. So here goes with the opening box review. There's the box. So here's some of the parts. Obviously, this is 1979, 40 years ago. It's been shuffled around a bit, so pieces are off the sprue. This is essentially the same as the Revell kit that I have in the works right now. There's the seats and the exhaust manifolds. One of the side panels has come off. Oops, it's in the way of the box. Let's move the box. There's the other one. I thought that this was kind of a neat kit because it should allow, be a lot easier to paint the coves on these. Right now I need to paint the coves on my model that I'm working on. Coincidentally, the model I'm building right now is going to hopefully look like the one that's on the box cover. I've made the interior a little bit darker blue than that, but it's slightly lighter than the body, and the body is going to be about that color. There's the windshield and the headlights. Here's some more various pieces and parts. I'm saving the, pardon my sarcasm, best for last. I'm holding them out in my hand to maintain the suspense. Okay. Everything out of the box? Yes, except for the well yellowed and weathered instructions. Look at the color of that. Wow. The instructions on these are, pretty basic. This is essentially the same as the Revell instructions that I have upstairs I'm working on right now. I think there might be another page to it, but it's the same thing. So, there's the instructions. Now, to unveil the beauty that is 1979, we have two-piece tires. Don't ask me how I'm going to glue them together, but and how they're going to look when I'm done. Isn't that lovely? And even more better, chrome. Well, didn't they have chrome in 1979? Sorry, Advent, but you're just too cheap. So, what do I think about the model so far that I'm working on? Well, you have molded on exhaust. Yeah, okay. It's an old kit. Not unusual. Let's see. The interior, it's kind of nice to have the interior door panels so you can paint them up two-tone quite easily. And you have the nicely molded armrest. Door handles or window cranks aren't that great a deal. Body moldings look pretty well. I would say this has just about the same amount of flash as the newer release Revell that I have upstairs. I think the one I'm working on was released about 1999, so it's 20 years newer than this one. But it is what it are. Now I've done a quick scan of this, having one in the process right now. I know what to look for. I know what pieces should be there. I'm down right now, so I'm just doing just the body work now. I've got the interior pan done, I've got the floor pan done, the chassis I should say, and so that's all done and painted and assembled, and the engine as well. So it looks like everything is here. Again, this is a 40-year-old kit. Guess that's pretty surprising that everything's still together. So what I'll do is I will probably at some point start work on this one, and as I do, I'll keep the other one in the background. I'm not going to probably start this one until the other one, the light blue one, is all complete. As far as color on this one, I don't know, maybe I'll publish this video and ask for people's input. Like I said, right now I've got a light blue that I'm working on. I'm not a fan of gold, so I don't want to go with that, whatever that beigey gold color was. I'm not a fan of that. Red is a possibility. I like red. I was thinking maroon, though. I was thinking the maroon for this one. And if you have suggestions of what paint to use, I've been using testers, and you know, I've tried acrylics, and so far I haven't got the hang of it, and so I'm avoiding acrylics on anything that I really like. What I might do with this one is I might try, and maybe I'll video that, is I might try painting the chassis black. I have some acrylic black primer, and so maybe I'll try videotaping that and publishing that on YouTube. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.